Walmart, guys. Search and rescue from the car culture set. And as always, me making a mess. And there's another one. Top Gun. Okay, this is Top Gun. That's some good stuff. You know, I also collect Matchbox, guys. You know, it's all about what you collect. I like Matchbox too, so. What the heck? What is this? It looks like a button. I'm supposed to press that and then it lights up, but it is not working. They drained the battery out. I also collect Matchbox, guys. See, there's one of these trucks. It's a NASA truck. I want to get that. I want to get that. I like this aromatic. Good stuff. I have this one already. I just collect my castings, guys. I like castings. If I like the casting, I pick it up, you know. And I want to get these, not the rigs, but like this. And I want to collect the Tesla truck. Here we go with the. Right, so look at this. I really like this, man. So we're sure the wheel is coming off. Look at that. Is this supposed to be like that? Let's see. I don't know. This one is messed up right here. Let me see. I don't know if you guys can see it there. See, the wheel is like coming out, and this one is not. So this might be an error. Yeah, man. And of course, this is sweet right here. I gotta put this over here, man. Got the rig. And then we got the. Oh, look at this. Got the Jag, Porsche, and the Benz. Jag, Porsche, and the Benzino. And count them from the top. Nice stuff, right? We got a thumbnail. We got a thumbnail too here. You got some more here. We have some Hot Wheels ID here. We got the Timer Taxi, but that's not what we're looking for. Got the Darth Vader. But look at this. From DC, got all the Batmobiles here. We got this one. This is from the first Batman right here. Nice. Let's see. And then we have the and one from the series back in the TV series from back in the 60s. Good stuff, man. Look at that. And then we have the modern version right here, the Dark Knight. Good stuff. I still like the old school one. Which one do you guys like more? I like this one more than this one. And a couple of trucks here. Alright then, that's gonna be it for now, guys. I want to thank you for watching. Subscribe, like. Hope you like the castings. I hope you like the Batmans. And you know, see you in the next video, guys.